Have you ever wondered why you feel depleted even when you cross off everything on your to-do list? It's not about how much you do, but how you protect your energy that truly matters. Hi, I'm Allison from Strive Your Past for a Better You, and welcome to the Boundary Reset series. If you've been following the shorts, you know we'll build powerful tiny stories about boundaries, wellness, and productivity. Today, we're bringing it all home with 3 transformational boundary hacks that help you be productive without burnout. If you're new to our channel, click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss the video. First boundary hack is time blocking. As featured in our blog, the Alpha blog, time blocking means assigning your day into dedicated blocks. Focus work, meetings, breaks, and personal rituals. This structure helps limit distraction and ensures you're investing energy in what truly matters. Whether you're a senior leader, a manager, or just getting started at work, think of time blocking as drawing lines that tell your day, this is for creativity, this is for strategy, this is for rest. Those lines build mental clarity and protect your energy from being scattered. The second hack is about saying no with purpose. A boundary isn't selfish, it signals what's essential. At our blog, we emphasize that when you say no to non-priority tasks, you safeguard your time for your highest goals and shield yourself from overwhelm and burnout. Whether you're a business owner delegating, a manager setting limits, or just someone learning to define their responsibilities, saying no is your act of productivity in motion. Hack number 3, ritualize transitions. Work isn't a river, it's more like distinct scenes in a film. The spaces between scenes, that's where we recharge. Creating rituals between tasks, like stepping outside, meditating briefly, journaling, or going to do exercise, helps your brain shift gears gracefully. This builds energy boundaries even within your workday. So we covered 3 boundary hacks you've seen teased in shorts. Now explain. Time blocking, learning to say no, transition rituals. These aren't just productivity techniques. They're energy-preserving strategies rooted in wellness and boundaries. They let you create sustainable growth with intention and not hustle. That completes Season 1 of our Boundary Reset series. If you've been following the shorts, this episode brings everything together because true productivity isn't about doing more. It's about protecting your energy through boundaries. Season 2 is arriving soon. We'll dive deeper into how wellness and boundaries fuel business growth and authentic success. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you'll be the first to know when it drops. You can check the full blog post of this season at the link below. I'd love to know which hack will you try first? Share in the comments below.